Today we're going to be making espagueti verde, which is a Mexican pasta made with a creamy and yummy roasted poblano sauce. So these poblanos I've washed really well and dried them, and then I'm just going to put them under the broiler. I have my broiler on high, and I did the first time for about 4 minutes, and then I'm flipping them over. And you want to do about another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Ideally, you want them to get nice and blistered on all sides, so you want the skin to look charred like this. And then I just go ahead and place them into a bowl. Make sure you're using tongs because you know this is going to be hot, and cover it with some plastic wrap so that way they can steam. So I've learned that I've only let them steam for about 4 minutes, because then if I let them steam too long, then it gets harder to peel. So 4 minutes seems to be the sweet spot. And just earlier I was adding some water to a stock pot to boil the spaghetti. So you can see here it comes off really easily. Again, if I steam it for too long, then it's kind of hard to peel off. But you can also take out the seeds and any of the ribs of the pepper on the inside. And then I just shred them apart and put them in my blender. I'm adding about 3 garlic cloves and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1 full cup of full fat sour cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Go ahead and give this a blend in your blender until it turns out nice and smooth. And then I also wanted to taste it just to make sure that I had enough seasoning. It actually needed more salt. So I am adding about a teaspoon of salt, and then I also forgot to add pepper, so I'm also adding some black pepper as well. If you like onion, you could also do some onion powder or some fresh onion as well. But this is how I'm making the sauce. So once the water is boiling, go ahead and add your spaghetti noodles. You can really use any type of pasta noodles that you like. And have you seen this trick where you just put the colander on top and then drain the spaghetti that way? It's so much easier to do it, especially, while you're trying to film it. So in a large pan, go ahead and melt some butter and then add the sauce. You want it to kind of bubble a little bit, and then I gave it one more taste test to see if it needed any more salt. Add the drained pasta noodles and then give that a good stir until everything is nice and incorporated. You can see the pasta absorbed a lot of the sauce, and as it sits, it's definitely going to absorb it. You can also save some pasta water if you need to make it a little bit thinner, or add some more milk if it gets too dry. And then I like to top the espagueti verde with some fresh queso fresco. You can also do cotija, even feta cheese if you don't have either one of those. But this is such a good, comforting meal. You could even serve it with some milanesa or any type of grilled protein for a nice, complete meal. I really hope you guys give this a try.